Thanks for joining us for another episode. In this episode, we're going to show you how to install Shur Flo gutter guard. This is going to be a quick demonstration on how to install it and what exactly you'll need to install it. So first, you're going to need yourself a drill. You got a drill with a 1/4-inch hex head drill bit. You can use pretty much any drill with the 1/4-inch hex head drill bit is what you'll need. Okay, come with 2 screws. You'll have your 1/4-inch zip screws. It comes with a 1/4-inch zip screw, and it also comes with a 1-inch screw, which I will show you exactly what they were for, where you'll use them. First, we're going to start with, you normally start with the 1/4-inch zip screw, but if I take you over here to the gutter, you can see this gutter here. This is the one we're going to gutter guard. Now, the problem we're having with this gutter guard, as you can see, it has spike and furls, and you can basically see how loose this gutter is. I mean, you can just take this spike. I mean, that's how loose this spike is on this home. So what we're going to need to do is we're going to leave them there, because we're going to leave them there basically for decoration. The reason why I say that is if I took this out, you'd have a hole in the front of your gutter. So we'll leave that in there. And what you will need is these hangers. This is a reinforced inside hidden hanger. You'll need a couple of these. You're going to put these in between each nail set. So one here, one there, one there, one there. You'll need 4 for this gutter. So what we'll do is here, let me just give you this quick demonstration on this. So, clips onto the gutter like that, nice tight fit on there. And then same with that one. So we'll clip them on. This is the first thing you're going to want to do before you install the gutter guard, is make sure the gutter is properly reinforced. So you'll screw them in. And you'll see how that pulls the gutter up against the fascia board. You'll bang them in. You can tap it in with your drill or just bang it in with a hammer. So I'll set the drill there for just a second. This is the gutter guard. It comes in a 4-foot 6-inch section. You can also get it in a 10-foot section. I like the 4-foot 6 because it's easier to work with. So you'll get the gutter guard. You'll slip the Shur Flo gutter guard or any aluminum perforated gutter guard, basically the same thing. You're just going to pop it on top, make sure the gutter's reinforced. Now you'll get your drill, and you'll get your 1/4-inch zip screw that Shur Flo comes with. It's one of the only gutter guards that I know of that actually supply the screws, which is pretty nice for what you need. So basically, you're going to screw this in just like that. Now when you screw that in, you're going to go about every 4 or 5 holes, and you'll zip those screws in. So we'll go along here just to give you a quick demonstration on how this is done. So we'll continue this, going down the gutter. There's little indentations on there. So you'll screw it into the little indentations. Every 4 or 5 is perfectly fine on there. So come along there, and then we'll finish that off there. Now we're going to double reinforce it. That's what these 1-inch screws are for that it comes with. We screw this into the back of the gutter guard. And where you're going to want to put this screw at is wherever you put a screw at. If you see you have a screw here, you're going to want to go into the back and just put it in there. You can see how it pulled that gutter guard. See, because right now the gutter guard's a little loose. But once we screw this in, and we're going to screw that in every place where there's a screw. There's a screw here, 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 and here. So we're going to go along, and we're going to screw that in. Just like that. Just like that. Just like that. So now you can see this section here, this mold, will continue that all the way down, putting the hangers in and the gutter guard. As you can see how strong this gutter is now. It has the Shur Flo gutter guard installed, the screws exactly where you want to put them in, the hangers in there. Thanks for joining us. Until next time.